Hello everyone, I'm gonna open my brand new Oral-B Genius 9600. This is top of the line electronic brush by Oral-B. So let's open the box. Alright, so here's how it looks like. Let's see how we can open it. Okay, we can open it from here. So in the model 9600, the box is different than the previous models, such as the 7000. In this one you get the travel box, which is also a USB charger. That's the travel box. You put the brush here and you can charge it. And here is the brush itself. As far as I've heard, it's very quiet and very efficient. There are different modes. It has Bluetooth connectivity as well. With this model, you also get a cell phone stand that you can attach it to the mirror in the washroom and put your cell phone here, because this comes with an app that you can download on your iOS or Android devices. That way you can track and see where you apply the pressure and how you brush your teeth. It helps you with that. Here's the user manual. Okay, apparently this model comes with 3 brush heads, and they have different types of them. Let's see, it doesn't mention here, but I'm sure that in the manual it says which brush is for what. Depending on which one works for you, you can order more of these. And there should be the USB charger also that you connect to your washroom. The previous one was the travel one. There it is. And that's it. So you just simply attach one of the brushes and start brushing. Once you download the app, as I mentioned, you can choose different modes in here, and then the brush guides you to put pressure more on the left side, right side, upper part, lower part, and then it tracks your activity, and based on that gives you some recommendations which part to brush more, which part to brush less. And the main purpose of purchasing this model is the gum control, so it protects your gum. Basically that app helps you with healthier gums and more plaque removal. That's about it. Thank you.